Peyton, what are you doing?
Wow, but Daddy called Chico.
What are you doing, Peyton?
Flying.
You're flying? You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, Mommy.
You're number 5? This is how you get exercise when you have 2 children and can't go anywhere. How about the carnival ride?
Okay. Try and fly, Peyton. Woo!
This is our own Disneyland. This is called Tilt-A-Whirl. Is that one ride? Tilt-A-Whirl?
This is called teacups.
Oh, teacups. Do it again? I think Daddy's...
Number 5.
Okay, I think Daddy's dizzy.